Smartphonics. Today we are going to discuss the behavior of vowel digraphs and R together. We know that digraphs are two letters that together represent one sound, and trigraphs are three letters that together represent one sound. We also know that vowel digraphs are two vowels that together represent one sound, and when a vowel digraph is split by a consonant, then it is known as a split digraph. When a vowel digraph is followed by an R, or if an R is present between a vowel digraph, that is a split digraph, then the vowel digraph does not make the usual sound. The vowel digraph joins with the R after it or between it and makes one new sound together. So the three letters, the two vowels and the R making one new sound can be termed as a trigraph. The following are the 5 new sounds made by the trigraphs, and this will be of the format the vowels followed by RE. Air as in share, ear as in hear, ire as in fire, or as in more, your as in pure. So these are the trigraphs formed when a vowel digraph and R come together. In the first row, you could see the split digraphs A, E, I, O, U, and R between them. And here you could see some of the digraphs A, E, OW, O, U, and R coming after them. R in between a vowel digraph, that's a split digraph. When a vowel digraph is split by a consonant except R, then it is known as a split digraph. Here the two vowels make one sound together. The first vowel is long and says its name, and the second vowel E is silent. So a split digraph usually makes the long sound of the first vowel. The consonant splits the two vowels, but still they make one sound together, and so it is termed a digraph. For example, k, ek, cake, f, ein, fine. Now let us see when this consonant is R. The two vowels and the R make one sound together. So when R is in between a split digraph, then the split digraph does not make a familiar long or short vowel sound, and the R is in charge of the sound. The R joins with the vowel before and after it and make one new sound together. So it is termed as a trigraph. For example, k, air, care, f, ire, fire. Here you could see you have A and E, and it is split by a consonant, but it does not make the sound of a split digraph because the consonant here is R. So this is the difference between a split digraph and a trigraph formed when the consonant in a split digraph is R. So when two vowels are split by the consonant R, the R joins with the vowel before and after it and makes one new sound together. So the following are the 5 new sounds made by the R and the vowels. Air, prepare, square. Ear, adhere, merely. Ire, tired, acquire. Or, herbivore, shore. Your, pedicure, manure. Now let us see what happens when R comes after a vowel digraph. We know vowel digraphs are two vowels that together make one sound, and that sound is usually a short or long vowel sound. For example, st, a, n, stain, t, e, m, team, b, e, n, bean, b, o, t, boat, p, r, o, t, een, protein. So in all of these cases, there is no R after the digraph. Now let us look at these examples. These examples have the same digraphs adjacent to it, but there is an R following the digraph. So this makes a new sound instead of a short sound or a long vowel sound. St, airs, stairs, t, ear, tear, d, ear, dear, b, ord, board, w, eared, weird. So the two vowels and the following R together makes one sound. And when a vowel digraph is followed by R, it does not make a short or long vowel sound. Instead, the R joins with the vowel digraph before it and makes one new sound together. So the three letters making one sound can be termed as a trigraph. So these are the differences between a vowel digraph followed by a consonant except R, and when the vowel digraph is followed by the consonant R. So these are the trigraphs formed when a vowel digraph is followed by R. A-I-R makes the sound air, st, air, stare. E-A-R makes the sound ear, t, ear. E-I-R also makes a sound ear, w, eared, weird. E-E-R makes the sound ear, d, ear, dear. O-A-R makes the sound or, or, roar. O-U-R makes the sound or, for. O-O-R makes the sound or, or, door. These trigraphs have more than one sound. E-R-E, E-I-R and E-A-R makes the sound air as in care. W-air, where. B-air, where. The-air, there. E-A-R and U-R-E makes the sound H-eard, heard. I-N-J, injured. So when we group the similar sounds, we arrive at this table. The first column shows the sound air, ear, ire, or, your, and these are the trigraphs that represent these sounds. So this first row makes the sound air, the second one makes the sound ear, the third one makes the sound ire, the fourth one makes the sound or, and the fifth one makes the sound your. And I have highlighted the trigraphs that have more than one sound. We saw that EAR and URE makes sound, so I have updated these trigraphs in this table. Here is an exception. We know that when the vowel and R are not in the same syllable, then it does not form a digraph. Similarly, when the vowels and the R are not in the same syllable, then it does not form a trigraph, which means that they do not sound together. For example, IRE is not pronounced as ire here because I falls in a separate syllable. Direct. Similarly, erect. We do not say ear for ERE. These are the points to remember. When a vowel digraph is followed by R, then the R joins with the digraph and makes a new sound together. And when a split digraph is split by the consonant R, the R joins with the split digraph and makes a new sound together. The R controls the sound of the above vowel digraph or split digraph, and is known as the bossy R. Together they can be termed a trigraph. So 5 new sounds made by the R with the vowel digraphs are these: air, ear, ire, or, and your. EAR can make 3 different sounds: ear, air, er. ERE and EIR can make 2 different sounds, and they are ear and air. URE can make 2 different sounds, and that is your and If you have learned something new from this video, please like, share and subscribe. Knowledge shared is knowledge multiplied. Thank you.